Hello and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you some strategies for increasing the range of motion if you have a stiff knee. Firstly, we'll look at methods to improve flexion. Now, if you're struggling to get your knee to bend, take a rolled up towel, place it right in the back of the knee, and then bring the knee up as far as you can into flexion. The towel squashing in the back of the knee there might slightly change the way the joint moves and give you a bit of extra range. You can, of course, experiment by doubling the towel up and making it thicker. Place that up again behind the knee and then bring the knee up into flexion. This may help improve your knee range of motion. Another strategy you can try, with the knee at 90 degrees, you'll also be able to twist your knee in and twist your knee out. It helps if you turn the foot to achieve that. So if I twist my knee in, I may then be able to get a bit of extra flexion range. If not, try turning the foot out so that you externally rotate the knee and then again bring the knee up into flexion. If you get an increased range of motion when you turn the leg out or in, then go ahead and repeat that stretch a few times. With the knee bent at 90 degrees and the thigh muscles relaxed, you may then be able to mobilize your own knee. Place your thumbs behind the knee and then push the lower leg forward and back, and repeat this for around 10 to 20 seconds. You're trying to get your tibia to glide underneath your femur, and you may feel a little bit of joint movement as you do this mobilization. After 10 to 20 seconds, see if that has improved your flexion. If you're struggling to extend the knee, place your foot up on a raised surface and contract your quadricep muscles to extend the knee as far as possible, holding each contraction for 4 to 5 seconds before relaxing and then repeating that 10 to 15 times. You can also use a bit of overpressure by simply pressing down with your hands to help increase the amount of extension you can achieve. So extend as far as possible, tense up your thigh muscles, hold that for 5 or 6 seconds and relax. Bring the leg up into some flexion and repeat that. I hope you found these videos and the knee pain series helpful. Please do share them with anybody else you know who has knee pain. You've been watching the Physio channel. My name's Daniel Lawrence, physiotherapist and licensed healthcare professional. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribed and we'll see you in the next video.